Wait a second. I'm impressed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out aloe vera gel. Now I've had this aloe vera gel for about like 2 weeks now, and I've left it because I've been meaning to try it out for a video, which I'm doing today. I wanted something a bit more on the natural side to help see if it could slick down my edges, because in the past I've used stuff like Eco Styler, Gorilla Snot Gel. But the thing is, Gorilla Snot Gel works, like don't get it twisted, it works, but it's just that my hair sticks down to my head for like the next couple of days, and I don't think that's the look like I want to go for. I want something that's a bit less harsh, but like it still brings similar kind of results. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today, trying this out. If you're new to this channel and you like the content on this channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss when I upload. And yeah, let's get into it. Now, my hair has been in plaits for the past week. I'm gonna insert pictures of what hairstyle I've been rocking, but it's time for it to be taken out and for me to, like, you know, let this loose. I have not taken this hair out since I've washed it. Like, this is how it's been in plaits. Can you see they're just really messy now. I've been meaning to take this out for a couple of days, but you know, laziness called. So I'm doing it today. This is what it's looking like. It should be really moisturized when I take it down, even though it doesn't look like it right now, because I have been protecting it quite well. What I'm gonna do is take out the back section first. See, I've taken it out and it's still so... Guys, I discovered a secret when I was washing my hair last time. My conditioner, my Sheer Moisture conditioner, this one, the African Black Soap one, when I read the instructions again, and it was like, oh, you can use it as a conditioner, a leave-in or a deep conditioner. I was like, oh, let me try leave-in as a leave-in, because I'd like, you'll see in my Tangle Teezer vid that comes out, she'll come out before this, that I fell in love with the Tangle Teezer. So if you haven't watched that, I'm going to link it up here or in the description box. But yeah, and I left it in, and the next day I took it out and my hair was soft. Like, my hair was so soft. So I think that's what I'm going to do now from now on, because it's still so soft. Like, what I did was take that out and I think I added shea butter, and my hair's still so soft. Like, I haven't had to do anything to it. It's just amazing. So that's one section taken out. And obviously I've got to film this in my bathroom because I have a gigantic mirror in front of me to see what I'm doing. Look at these edges. Every time I put it in plaits, it always looks like my edges are going back, but that's never the case. You will see when I take it all out that I still have edges, so don't worry. I do feel like I need to go back to trying the threading method, even though that does take quite a while. I feel like it stretches my hair a lot better. It just takes forever. I don't know, maybe one day I'll go back to doing that. Oh, it's just so soft. Like, what do you guys do when you're taking out your hair, like it's in plaits or something, like a stretched out? Do you take down one section and then do you comb it out, or do you just take all of it out and then, you know, divide it and then comb it? I feel like I change it up and switch it. Like, I don't always. I feel like today I'm just going to take all of them out and then comb through all of them after. But sometimes I take one down and comb it. But it just depends how I'm feeling. The thing I've noticed about me and my hair is whenever I've washed it and I tend to put it into like plaits or something, that's it. Like, I won't see it for another week or 2 weeks because I just won't wear it out. But I feel like, especially since it's getting closer to summer now, I want to let the curls loose. So you'll see, I've got a little surprise coming up with my hair, so you shall see, like, in a future video what I'm doing to it. I don't know, am I cutting it? I don't know, you'll see. Oh my gosh, my arms are starting to hurt. I can feel the burn now. I'm not even halfway through. The thing with me is, the mistake I always tend to make is after I wash my hair, I always tend to put it into really small sections, so the plaits turn out really small. Then I realise halfway through that I'm not gonna like the taking down process, especially when I'm in a rush to go somewhere. So what I should have done is done them all like the size of this, but what did I do? Small sections as usual. Last two, I swear, I've been taking this out for like 40 minutes now. I mean, it's cute, but Oh my gosh, that's 40 minutes. Now this would be cute if I combed it out properly and blah blah blah, but we're not doing this today. We're not doing this style today. So on to the actual review. Okay, so this gel is from Nascence. I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce it. And this was £5. I'll put the price on screen. I'm pretty sure it was £5. I mean, I've used aloe vera products before, not this brand, but like I've used it on other parts of me, like if I've had a cut or something, and it's healed it pretty nicely. But of course that's not what we're doing today. We're trying to see if it's going to lay down my edges, my hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually not part it down the middle. I'm going to like do it at the side to see if I can swoop it like that, and then I'm going to do a part at the side, and I'm not going to comb it out, and we're going to see what happens. So I'm just going to use my afro comb to part this. Alright, time to apply. Okay guys, I've actually got a new brush to, you know, help slick these edges down today. I've been on the hunt for a brush that has bristles that are not too hard and not too soft, and finally I think I've come across one after 10 years of searching. You guys know the brush struggle with the soft brush, the brush that's too hard. So hopefully this can, you know, do some good. I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna take about that much. Whew, that feels nice. I also want to see like if it gives off any signs of flakiness or anything. So far it's laying these bits down, guys. So far. I feel like this brush is too soft. I'm gonna go in with this one. Wait a second. Now for you guys that are watching my videos, you know I don't like my hair to be too slicked down, but I just want it to kind of swoop nicely. I'm not looking for a completely laid down look, but so far this is doing bits. So I'm just gonna put that down with a bobby pin for now. Whew. And then I'm actually gonna brush this. My hair is very thick, so to lay it down. But so far, these results are nice. I'm actually just gonna try and comb the top bit so that it lays a bit flatter. I'm impressed. Can you see that shine? Alright, so this is the look I'm trying to go for. Ooh, let me try and comb that. Just so the ends are really kinky. Bearing in mind this is not my hair in its fully stretched state, it's still got quite a way to go because I still want kinks to come through and all of that. Can you see the look I'm trying to go for? And then swoop, it's just, look at it just moving by itself. Now keep in mind that I'm not looking for a slick down style. I just wanted something that could at least make my edges look tidy. And this has done it. Like, I'm impressed. I'm just gonna get my scarf and tie this down. Ooh. For like 10 minutes. Guys, it's been about 10 minutes. I would have left it for longer, but I have to leave, so I'm just gonna see what it looks like, and then I'm gonna slick them down even further. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. This, but can you see the waves that are formed? Like, and I'm brushing it and it's so soft. I'm impressed. Like, I'm just gonna pin down this side. Then I'm just gonna take some edge control and dip it. If I had my other edge control, this is the perfect opportunity to use it. I would have used it now, just because like it's a thicker consistency and it would have laid down these bits better. But I was just looking for my overall hair to be like slicked down to some extent, and it's actually done that. If only it laid this front bit down more. I feel like I should have left the scarf on for a bit longer, but the overall look like is there. Like, I'm happy. As I said, I didn't want it to be slicked down. Like, I just wanted it to be laid to some extent. It looked better in the mirror. Don't know why it's coming up like this on camera, but, and it's really soft. I will next time leave the scarf on a bit longer though, but I do have to go. So this is the look. I feel like my edges just don't like to lay down, and I'm fine with that. Like, especially because I've got, like, my hair is a lot, especially in these areas, sideburns if you'll call them, and so they're really very hard to slick down. But yeah, this is the look, guys. This is the final result. I'm actually happy with the puff. Like, it's a matted down, really natural look. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.
Boys on the